Mortgage points are a way to lower your interest rate by paying extra money upfront at closing. Let us break down how they work. Mortgage points are technically called discount points. They are essentially prepaid interest that reduces your ongoing monthly mortgage payment. For a $300,000 loan, 1 point costs $3,000. This payment is made at the time you close your mortgage. By paying these points, you trade immediate cash for a lower interest rate and smaller monthly payments over the years. If you plan to stay in your home for a long time, points can save you money. If you move quickly, they might not pay off. The break-even point is when your monthly savings finally cover the cost of the points you paid up front. Always ask your lender for a comparison. If you move before you break even, you effectively paid more than necessary for your loan. Mortgage points are a tool for long-term planning. Consult your loan officer to see if they fit your specific financial situation.